Hi everyone, my name is Sarah. I'm a graduate student in Paris, and this is my apartment tour. It's only 9 meters squared, so it's really small, but I absolutely love my space, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the apartment itself, apartment hunting in Paris, or any of those details. Thank you! So whenever you first walk into my room, this is my door. It is pretty old. This is an overview of my apartment. Like I said, it's small, but she is mighty, and I have everything I need in here. So this is just an overview. Whenever you first walk into the room, this is the back of the door. I have a little Moulin Rouge poster hanging up, and then behind the door is where my purses and my coats hang. It's pretty crowded right now because it is still cold here. And then I have a mirrored armoire from IKEA where I keep all of my folded shirts, workout gear, pajamas, shorts, everything like that. It's super messy, but I have way too much clothing for such a small space, so it works. And then we have our desk area. So we have my Wi-Fi router, my hair stuff, toiletries, books, my desk, and my chair. And then over to the right of that, I have a little 3 shelf drawer set, which has my makeup on top, and then electronics, extra school supplies, anything extra that I need. You can see I have my mask hanging up on a little cabinet there. And then I have my bed slash couch. It does pull up to a full size bed where underneath I have storage. And up above it, I just have some pictures that I made hanging up. I have a little table and nightstand kind of in front of me. And then I have this poster that I bought down by the Seine the other day hung up. I have a light it moves, and so that's really nice when I'm reading at night. I have my suitcases, yoga mat, weights, and laundry basket under that with a plant on top. And this is my balcony, which we'll come back to later. It is my favorite part of the apartment. I have my radiator, because like I said, it's still cold here, a trash can, some clothing storage, a little drawer set that has extra stuff in it, and then you can see I just have my little grocery caddy and stuff to the side of that. I have a clothing rack and my shoes up above it, and a microwave, which seems out of place, but it fits, so that's good. Then we come to my kitchen area, which it's great for me just cooking for one person. I do cook most of my meals. So I have my spices, fresh fruit, little plant, cups and mugs and everything. I have a dish rack. I have a mirror, and then up above that is my water heater. I have my sauces, different things, my utensils, my sink that has some dirty dishes in it, my little mini fridge, which doesn't have much in it right now, and then underneath my sink is a cabinet where I keep my dry goods, my cleaning supplies, and then my plates and pots and pans and everything. And then when we move from the kitchen, next to that is my shower area. So I have a robe hanging up, towels hanging up. Ignore all the clothes right now. I just did laundry and they're on a little drying rack that hangs onto the shower. This is my failed attempt of trying to show you my shower with one hand, but we eventually get there. And I have a little storage organization thing. The shower heads are movable. It's small, but like I said, it fits perfectly into the space, so it's really nice that I have that. You can see that I don't have a toilet here. It's actually in the hallway shared with one other person, so that's a different space. And then we move on to the balcony, which, like I said, is my favorite part. So I have a curtain hanging up there, two like open doors, and then I have some chairs out here. It's pretty small, but it fits 2 chairs, which is nice. And then we have my view. If you do know where this is, please don't say in the comments because that's really creepy. But there she is, the beautiful Eiffel Tower, which is my favorite part of the view. It's always nice to see, especially at night when it lights up. So this is one more overview of my apartment. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.